1714 Malibu Tower 1339er.
Sure, nice, that's 1714.
So 1714 LA Tower, Super Airbus 380, previously parked in caution, wake terminal, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
24 left, line up and wait, that's 1714.
So 1714, wind 3603, RNF Del Rey, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
RNF Del Rey, 24 left, clear for takeoff, just 1714.
So 1714, contact departure, bye-bye.
Departure on 1714. 1714, took out departure, radar contact, line via the 5th. Line via the 5th, Delta 1714. Delta 1714, contact approach 128.75.
2875, Delta 1714.
On behalf of Delta and our global airline partners, thank you for choosing us. Our priority on this flight is a safe, clean, and comfortable experience for you. For your safety, please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened in case you experience unexpected rough air. Please use caution when opening overhead bins, as items may have shifted during takeoff, and keep the aisles clear of any potential trip hazards like bags or bag straps. Better regulations require all customers to comply with crew instructions and prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight. The use of Wi-Fi to make video or voice calls is not allowed. Information on approved electronic devices can be found on the safety information card in your seat pocket. The lavatories are refreshed throughout the flight, but if you notice an untitled lavatory, please let a flight attendant know. Fast free Delta Sync Wi-Fi is available on today's flight for SkyMiles members. If you're not yet a SkyMiles member, it's fast, free, and easy to join. Connect to the DeltaWiFi.com network to get started. We invite you to enjoy our complimentary entertainment and a variety of complimentary Coca-Cola beverages and snacks. Premium snack boxes from our flight fuel menu and alcoholic beverages are available for purchase. Please note that federal regulations prohibit consuming any alcohol you may have brought on board with you. To see what drink and snack selections are available on today's flight, log into the fast free Delta Sync Wi-Fi and click on the My Flight tab to see your full menu. You'll save 20% in the form of statement credit and earn double miles when you use your Delta SkyMiles credit card from American Express. If there's anything else we can do to make your experience more comfortable, please don't hesitate to ask. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.